Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify monday.com document management with files and updates, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify monday.com document management with files and updates, start by logging into your monday.com account. Navigate to the board where your documents are stored. Locate the item that you want to verify. Click on the item to open the details view. In the Details view, look for the Updates section usually found at the bottom of the item. Here, you can see previous comments and updates related to that specific item. Next, check for any attached files in the Files section of the item. To view an attached file, click on the file's name and it will open in a new tab. Ensure to confirm the content of the file matches what you're looking for. If you need to add a new file, click on the Attach File button. Select the file from your computer and upload it. You can also add comments or updates in the Updates section while attaching the file. Once you finish your updates, make sure to click on the Post Update button. This will ensure that your comments and files are saved to the item. To verify collaboration, check the activity log for any comments made by team members. You can do this by navigating to the Updates section and reviewing the timestamps on each entry. Take note of feedback or requests for additional information made by your team. If necessary, respond to these comments directly in the Updates section. Finally, review the item periodically to ensure all files and updates are organized and accessible. This will help in maintaining effective document management on monday.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.